Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to load money onto your Koho card. Now, I know a lot of you have been asking about this, and I'm happy to say that it's actually a pretty easy process. There are a few different ways to do it, so I'll walk you through each one step by step. But before we get into that, let's talk about why you might want to load money onto your Koho card. Koho is a great way to manage your finances. It's a prepaid card that you can use to make purchases online and in-store. It also comes with a number of features that can help you save money, such as cashback rewards and automatic savings. So, if you're looking for a way to manage your money more effectively, Koho is a great option. Now, let's get into the how-to part. Here are the three main ways to load money onto your Koho card. Debit card. This is the easiest way to load money onto your Koho card. All you need to do is go to the Add Money section of the Koho app and enter your debit card information. You can then choose the amount you want to load. E-transfer. You can also load money onto your Koho card using an e-transfer. To do this, you'll need to go to the Add Money section of the Koho app and select e-transfer. You'll then be given a set of instructions on how to complete the transfer. Cash deposit. You can also load cash onto your Koho card at a Canada Post location. To do this, you'll need to go to the Add Money section of the Koho app and select Cash Deposit. You'll then be given a QR code that you can take to the Canada Post location. Once you've loaded money onto your Koho card, you can start using it right away. You can use it to make purchases online and in-store, just like any other credit or debit card. I hope this video has helped you learn how to load money onto your Koho card. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.